Good day everyone. I'm Kausu Basgaonkar and my teammates are Ichani Chilkar, Janson Rodriguez and Prajita Borkar. And the project guide is Mr. Shailesh Khanolkar. We are from the state of Goa and studying in Padre Kostesawa College of Engineering in the Electronics and Telecommunications Department with the aim to develop a drone for assisting the lifeguard in search and rescue operation for the coastal beaches. We have worked on a project called Lifeguard Drone. Around 30 lakh tourists visit the Goan beaches every year. These crowded beaches are prone to drowning incidents. One of the main reasons is rip current. A rip current is a strong current that moves away from the shore. The victim gets caught up in this current and leads to exhaustion and death. Other reasons are lack of ability to swim, sudden surges, and swimming in intoxicated conditions. The rescue process is where the captain or the supervisor informs the lifeguard about the drowning victim on walkie-talkie, who saves the victim using different techniques. Most widely used techniques are using floats, rescue boats, or jet ski. The reason for the development of lifeguard drone is the performance gap between the victim survival time and the lifeguard rescue time. Most drowning incidents occur during these two instances. There are few lifeguards at every beach. Also, the victim tends to hold on to the lifeguard instead of the float. The use of jet ski is a slow and tedious process, and it is also difficult to handle multiple drowning incidents at the same instant, hence making it more difficult for the lifeguard in a rescue situation. All these reasons motivate us to develop the Lifeguard Assist Drone. So what is a lifeguard drone? The lifeguard drone is used to assist the lifeguard and can also be used for search and rescue operations. It provides temporary relief to the victim by deploying a flotation device so that further rescue can be carried out by the lifeguard. It also monitors the rescue situation. We are using a quadcopter configuration which has vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, assisting the lifeguard to overcome the performance gap. Can carry and deploy multiple flotation devices, which is helpful in multiple drowning incidents. Monitoring the situation closely by sending a live feed to the control tower. The drone can directly reach the victim using direct path. It has three main functions within a rescue situation. The first is to locate the victims and assess the situation in the least amount of time possible. The second function is to clearly identify the victim, and so the now in transit lifeguard can move towards the location of the drone, knowing the victim will be nearby. The third function is to communicate information such as the number of victims, their perceived conditions to the incoming lifeguard. The fourth function is to drop flotation device so that the victim can hold on to the flotation device till they are being rescued by the lifeguard. Here's a block diagram. The processing block, communication block, imaging block, the power block, electromechanical block work together to form the lifeguard assist drone. Here are some pictures about the lifeguard drone and the electronics. The flotation device deployment system is designed to carry the floats and deploy them when the drone is near the drowning victim. The command to deploy the floats will be given by the operator. The deployment system will carry two floats. The deployment process. In position 1, no rings are deployed. In position 2, first ring is deployed. At position 3, second ring is deployed. Testing of the drone. Testing of the deployment system. To conclude, the Lifeguard Assist Drone prevents drowning incidents on the beach. The drone deploys a flotation device which is inflated and will temporarily save the victim from drowning. The drone can handle multiple flotation devices to assist multiple drowning personnel at the same instant. To maximize the success rate of the rescue, we ensure that the most successful choices of flotation device, operational range, drone platform, battery, etc. were made for the best possible drone system for rescue. A drone system design and cost model was developed so that the highest number of successful rescues was made. Thank you.